Ninja Man springing to Shaba Rank's defense this week. Beenie Man's comment about paying for an airport welcome ticking off Shaba's one-time Sting nemesis.
Beenie Man one step across the line, you know.
Of course, me can get that. Anybody can get that. You have to just pay for it. What about me?
What's so wrong with what Beenie Man said? Lots, says Ninja Man.
You can't disrespect a man for him take away him work for how much years. None of we don't get no 2 Grammy back-to-back boy. Shaba Rankin get it. Him deserve when him get. The problem with Shaba Rankin that is that him never know that the people him love him so much. You understand? If you throughout the years, if you listen most of Shaba Rankin interview them, most of the people them now give him the joy and now show him the love where him forget. You understand? As a man we out there go stand up and defend the thing. You understand me? Now him come back and the people them show him how much they love him and welcome him back home. Being the man now on the right to Ghana go talk about say any man can pay for that. So me ask him one question. Me I come from court and by accident me run up in a Shaba Rankin motorcade or Olympic way. The motorcade bus in a tube, Ninja Man and Shaba Rankin. People are pull me towards Shaba and Shaba people are pull Shaba towards this for him to go reason with the people them. And me have to stop and tell the people and say, yeah, me or meet Shaba down and see you. I pay Shaba pay me if you come in a fee motorcade.
Ninja Man, you might have noticed, wasn't at Sumfest.
When them come to me with them talking on, I go down there, you know. You understand? Because first a man call me and tell me, say, them need me. And me tell him, say, me need X, Y, Z. The man come and tell me, say, him get 95% of what me ask for. Then them call me, you know, and I say, yo, them uncle can pay 500,000. So me go down there. And me go down there and me make them know, say, yo, that 500,000 now go can't work. You understand me? And then now, the thing when really hurt me, when me go down there for dealing.
So you never did reggae Sumfest because you didn't get what you wanted?
Yeah, man. If you not give me what I want, me nah hurt, man. You understand? I know what me deserve. I know what me forget.
And you're on board with Shaba when it comes to pay me my money or else?
Yeah, yo, let me tell you something. The rest of artists them, if them deal with the thing like Shaba, because Shaba show them one thing, you know. If you can't pay me like how you pay Usher, me nah go to Jamaica, you know. Me nah fly on a plane, because flying on a plane, you attempt suicide. You're almost dead. You don't know if that plane can land the right way. So if you want me to take a plane, pay me to take the plane. You understand me? Ninja Man, me know something, tell you something. If you want me to perform, pay me to drive come a man to go beer, pay me to come entertain the people them, if you want me to entertain the people them.
So is something going to be worked out before Sting? Because the Don Gorgon doesn't sound like he's backing down on his performance fee.
Well, if them pay me my money, you know, because Mr. Link said me broke, so from me broke, you have to pay me. I mean, then I no talk.
Not even with Isaiah, your biggest backer in over all
I'll tell you
years.
something. I respect Mr. Leng. Mr. Leng make a speech, but him not to make. You understand? Because Mr. Leng can't tell me nothing, you know. Me make Mr. Leng rich. Me put my career upon the line and put Mr. Leng rich for him there in the industry right now. You understand me? Without one time ever look at him and tell him, Mr. Leng, more X, Y, Z. You understand? I did him like a father to a son. Most time I go ask him for my fans. I mean, I go ask him about no collect. To me and Mr. Leng live. And then now after me, they are prison and spend so much money for the year. And look at me and say, put on a show for me. They go tell me, say, you go up on TV and radio, they go tell people, I'm broke and involve all my family them night, or my family can't afford to pay my lawyer. And when Mr. Leng not a right to do that. And then the worst thing when do, set back on stage for people drop collection in like me a dead boy. And when Mr. Leng take me for a fool, him take a real bad man for and think me a rough boy. I mean, first married 2 man from Switzerland.
Ninja Man says he's set to perform at Capleton, St. Mary may come from.
You're basically wrong, but I get because wow, the one about that mention.